Hi, boys and girls, and welcome back to Mr. Grable in our Grade 3 math class, where we are studying 3D solids. And today we're going to look at some different attributes because we're sorting objects on page 100. 100, 010s, 01s. Yes, here we are. Unit 6, Lesson 6, page 100. Sorting objects. And we know when we sort objects, we need to think about their attributes. Okay, so just think about what do they have that's special or different or the same. Okay, so on the first one there's a quick review and it says, here are some objects you know. And here's the page there. And as you see, there's a pyramid, a cube, a prism, and another prism, and a pyramid. Okay? And on that quick review, they show one way to sort these objects. And that is, the sorting rule is objects that have even number of faces and objects with odd number of faces. And as you can see here, I've put the number of faces for each one. And the first pyramid had 5 faces. Then the second one had 6, the cube. Then the next one had 5. And the next one had 7, and the last one had 4. And that's why you have 2, the cube and the pyramid, the last pyramid there, where they have an even number of faces, 4 and 6, whereas the first pyramid and the prism, both prisms, have odd number of faces. So that's how they sorted those. Okay, so we're looking for different ways to sort them and see what the differences are and the similarities. So, number 1 says, how are these two objects the same? Different. Okay, so if you look at them, one is a rectangular prism, and the other one is a cube. Okay, so as you can see, how are they the same? Well, if we take a look here, it's pretty obvious to me. If you look at the ends of that rectangular prism, what shape are they? Squares, right? And a cube, of course, has square faces. And a cube, of course, has 6 square faces. So I put, for the same, both have square faces. There we go. Okay, so both of those objects have square faces. And then I thought, well, I know a cube has 6 faces. Oh, so does a rectangular prism. Both have 6 faces. So a couple similarities there. Then you think, well, they're the same that way. How are they different? Well, obviously one's a cube and one's a rectangular prism. What's the difference? Well, they both have square faces. They both have 6 faces. But the rectangular prism has rectangular faces, and of course the cube only has square faces. So one has a rectangular face. And it's as easy as that, looking at their attributes and checking things out and finding out the similarities and differences. It's seemingly in everything. Have a great day. Bye-bye.